It's one of the rare conferences I feel that the walls come down. You start to realize that understand why the FDA does what they do and how they think and how they make decisions. In addition, I think it provides the unique opportunity for the FDA to get the same feeling from their industry colleagues. What are they struggling against? What are their problems? What are their difficulties within their companies to do the right things and make the right decisions that the FDA would sometimes want them to make? What are the drivers of their decisions? It really gives us a chance to have these conversations in an open forum with no policy or no specific drugs attached. So when you're at the FDA having a meeting and you're talking about your drug, you're trying to get a certain thing from the FDA at that time. But in this type of interaction, it's mostly just kind of a holistic type of thing. You can talk in very general terms about the things that are difficult or are causing you problems or you think are holdups. And I think it really does work both ways. I think that the industry learns from the FDA and the FDA learns from the industry.